Come on. Come on, Daddy. Make your baby come. Ew, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
Catch it. Catch it, honey. Now let it fall into your hands, but not really fall. You'll feel it let go. Now there's going to be water in the afterbirth coming. That's okay. That's what's supposed to happen.
Now what? No, duh.
Yeah, she's opening the sack for you.
Oh, she is?
Uh-huh. That's her job.
Are you videotaping this?
Yep. Of course I'm videotaping our grandbaby delivering her first puppy.
Oh my gosh. Now what?
Okay, make sure that the bag's open. Here, help by tearing it right here so that the face can come out. Get it over the face.
I can't.
Well, it's slick. Just keep.
You, I don't want to.
Okay.
Shh.
Can you see if it's a boy or a girl?
Okay, it's over.
Girl. Right?
Yeah. It is. Oh, it's okay. Is it still attached?
Yeah, don't pull that off. Debbie's got to bite it off. Turn it over real quick. It is a black girl. Yeah. A lot of times you think they're black and then they turn out to be chocolate when they drop. Hey, Debbie. There you go.